Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and today I bring to you a review on a Sexy Mix Deluxe Gel Starter Kit. So check it out. You have everything here. What I'm going to do, I am going to go over what is included in this starter kit. I will do some swatches of the gel polishes because they are, let's see, 6 colors included in this kit, as well as a stamper and some stamping plates. So yes, we will give that a try. As far as the lamp, as you can see here, so these are all the tools and items are included, as well as the lamp. So I kind of have this. The lamp is the same 24 watt. It is a portable lamp because it comes with the cables are 2 USB cables, if you remember. This is the one that I have already reviewed for you guys. I will have the link of the review for this individual lamp down in the description bar below, but I will also link it at the end of the video as an end card. This is the 2-in-1 LED slash UV lamp that you can, it comes in this kit. So this kit is under $55 on Amazon. Now let me show you everything that comes in here. So everything else comes nicely packed in this travel bag. In the front here, on one side it says beauty, I don't know if you can tell there. On the other side it says handsome. So yeah, kind of like a his and hers type of travel bag with the mesh finish or the mesh material on the outside, so you can see what it's inside and you can tell. And then it has, so this looks like it's the material that is waterproof, so you can have it by your sink, and that will be nice. It's a zipper closure, and I was surprised how much they were able to fit in here. Okay, I am going to remove everything out of here. Okay, so I've removed everything out of the bag, and just to show you the bag by itself, here's how big this is. Yeah, they were able to fit a lot in here, and it has a pocket inside. So very nice. You can definitely put this bag to good use after you remove your nail goodies. Now I'm going to go over very quick everything that is included in here, and then I'm not going to test everything, but I am going to test those essential items that for sure you will want to know the quality of them, how they are, and how they perform. So as you can see, it comes with a packet of orange wood sticks for cuticle pushing and cuticle cleaning. Those are always good. It has the stamping, a white stamping polish. This is a 7 ml bottle for stamping, and the reason that's included is because, check it out. Oh, I'm excited about this. It has 4 stamping plates, and I will very quickly go over these. I'm going to do a test on these. So as you can see, no backing on the back of these stamping plates. They're just the plain metal. And as far as the images, they're quite versatile. So I see feathers, I see some damask designs in here. There is holiday designs for flowers, good for the spring, Christmas, Easter. Beautiful images. So yes, this is something that we'll definitely do a quick test and check the quality of the stamping plates, as well as, now this one you'll have to forgive me, I did open this package for one of my designs already, but these are little triangular studs. There's also some of these are diamond studs. These are hollow, and also some more diamond hollow studs, and some itty bitty teeny tiny square silver studs as well. Beautiful for decorations for nail art. And let's see what, okay, this stamper, definitely going to give this a try. So this is, and it came with a scraping card as well. This is one that is one of those pretty stiff ones, so not a flimsy one. We'll see how it works with those plates. The stamper I liked, it came with the cover, and I saw it has a cover on the back, and sometimes I don't care much for this because it doesn't make it too easy to see through, but guess what, I twisted it and look, it comes up, so you can actually, it is hollow, and that makes it easier to see sometimes. And the stamper head, see it, you can remove it from there, And it has, oh, it sticks to my glove. But yes, this is nice and squishy, not too soft, not too stiff. Let me put that aside with the scraper. And let me go ahead and show you what's in this bag first. So yes, you have everything in here from preparation to removal. So you have a buffer. This is a 100-180 buffer. You have your toe separators. There's a cuticle oil. These are, I want to see, the scents might be different for each one. This pink one, I know it to be strawberry. They smell really good for nourishing your cuticles. Here is another nail file. This is a 600, 3,000. Oh, I see. The 3,000 is the, this is for shine. This buffer is for shining your nails. Oh, that's a nice one. I actually don't have one of those. And you have a cuticle remover or cuticle cutter. Okay, could be quite controversial. There's just a tool that I do not recommend, but it is included in here. Maybe you can find another use for it. This is a good cuticle pusher and remover. This is a good one, and it's a metal that it can be sanitized. I do have several of those. Nail clippers, a nice brush for dust removal, and here you have a lot of these removal pads that are, you can use them. You don't need the foil because there's the wrapping on these removal pads. It's metal foil, so you can actually you can wrap them around your finger. Just again, everything is in here, and you have the gel removal pads as well as 70% isopropyl alcohol pads. Great. And another dusting brush. Very cute. Okay, now let me show you the polishes. So like I said, this kit was put together by Sexy Mix. And here are the polishes. This is the nice set right here. It includes your base coat and top coat. Let's see which one. Yes, the gold one is the top coat, and this is a base coat. And then you have 6 different colors, 6 different bottles of the colors, and these bottles are 7 ml each. Okay, so nice little kit, and I can't wait to show you the colors. Also included in here is information about the product, a little pamphlet of other colors and products that they have available, as well as these little, I do use these little stickers, so I dab a little bit of the polish here, and then I put it on the top of the brush so I can identify them easy when I go to grab the bottles. Okay, so what I'm going to do to keep this video from being too long, I am going to show you the swatches of these polishes so you can see the colors, and I'll tell you a little bit about them as I experience them after doing the swatches. What I will highlight whatever I feel necessary about the colors or having worked with the polish. I have worked with Sexy Mix gels a lot, and I do like them. I believe they are very good quality polishes. I will also do swatches of these off camera, but then I will show you the results, and then I will give you an overview review of my thoughts on what I think about this right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Alright guys, now let me go ahead and give you a summary overview over the items that I did test. Very, very good quality white stamping polish right here. I do like it. I noticed there was a time that I was not very quick on, I had not, I had put the polish on the plate, but I had not cleaned my stamper head, and it did real good. It didn't disappoint me. It didn't dry so it doesn't dry too fast while it's on the plate or on the stamper. That was good. I do like it. And you see how well it's stamped. I went ahead and stamped over my swatches, even over this beautiful rose gold shimmery polish there. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at it. See, depending on how the light shifts, you can see it. Beautiful image there. This red here is a glittery burgundy more. It's more like a burgundy. And this rose gold, you could almost get away with it with only one coat. I only did one coat on the black. I did one coat on this pink right here. All the others I did 2 coats. The only 2, so all these here are creams. Only the burgundy and the rose pink are shimmery. And they are the images that I tested again from that first plate. Beautiful pickup. The plates, I will also say, they're very, I think you're going to be very happy with them. The few images that I tested, they led me to believe these are very good quality stamping plates, very well edged. And as you can see, the variety of the images, some with more bold lines and others a little with some more fine lines. This stamper head stamping, yeah, this stamper did really well also. I felt like, now this is the first time that I have a stamper holder with the cover underneath, and my first attempt was keeping this. For some reason I felt like, I don't know, like I could hear it squeaking, maybe because I was squeezing it, but I felt more comfortable working by removing it. For itself, I will say, so yes, it is a thick scraper. It's rather stiff, so for my stamping on these polishes, I didn't feel like it was the best experience. I went ahead and tried, when I was doing these swatches, I switched to my everyday use scraper. This one might be good for other things, like when you're doing gradients over those negative space areas, if you know what I mean. Yeah, sometimes people have to grab those thicker scrapers, so do keep it. Yeah, even if you can't use it for these plates, they do have their use. Like I said, yes, this Deluxe Starter Kit is available on Amazon. I will have the link down below so you guys can go check it out. I think you're going to be very, very happy with this kit. I truly do. And these are the swatches here. I've already finished them with their glossy top coat, and that top coat included in that kit, it's a no wipe top coat. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about this deluxe kit, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, please give my video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.